Good day and welcome to lucav-howto. This is your hub for data analytics. In this channel, we provide tutorials on data analytics and GIS. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get notified. This is another beautiful day, and we'll be taking you through a new topic, preparing data for analysis using Microsoft Excel. And this is the part 1 of it. So just want to call your attention to those beautiful data analytics results to let you know that a whole lot was done at the preparation stage, where cleaning up of the data, data wrangling, data preprocessing tasks we are done. And this video is tailored towards addressing most of those to teach you how to prepare your data, how to clean it up for your analysis proper. So we have carefully looked at data preprocessing, data wrangling tasks, and we've chosen 20 basic and common tasks for you in this video. So the first part will address an intro to the Home tab of Microsoft Excel, where we have some very wonderful but basic tools for cleaning up your data. We will then take you through how to serialize, how to create random numbers, how to round numbers, how to repeat and fill using both the tools and also the functions. We'll teach you how to replace columns, how to move columns, how to transpose data, how to highlight and copy large amount of data, how to detect duplicates, how to remove duplicates, how to work with dates, how to combine columns into one for both numeric columns and text columns, how to split columns into two or more, how to cleanse up your GPS data, how to combine data from different sources using the VStack function, how to reference data from within workbook and external sources, e.g. using the lookups, how to use the filter function, how to summarize data using the pivot table, how to remove and eliminate unwanted text and counting of records, how to work with string and substring functions such as the left, right, mid, len, search, replace, find, and trim. So these are really 20 skills that you will acquire by the time you go through these 20 how to do these 20 stuffs. Remember, our name is lucav-howto, and our objective is to make people know how to do stuff, especially in data science and data analytics. So let's go straight to the first part, which is intro to Microsoft Home tab. Microsoft Excel, to launch it, let us go straight on how to launch it. To launch it, you may, if you have it on your taskbar, you may just right click and then open, or you can search from here and then you see Microsoft Excel as one of the recent apps, or you can just write Excel and then you launch it. So let's launch from here. So when you launch Excel here, you see these are templates that came with the software, while these are some of your recent documents recommended for you to revisit them. So for now, we just want to go to new and then you click. So the Microsoft Excel is packed with menus. So we have the file menus, home, insert, and all this. So all these are various menus, and some are actually were actually configured and included here, such as the ArcGIS. It's not it did not come as an original part of Microsoft Excel, but it came in as a plugin. So there are some plugins you can add. So you can just configure the plugins, and then depending on what is supported, and then it will be added. So the Microsoft Excel, the Home tab is the default tab. So each time you launch the Excel, it comes to the Home tab. So the Home tab is mostly made up of the clipboard, the fonts, alignments, and as many others. So the clipboard is basically anything that has to do with copy, paste, and then to copy the format. So um, a copy and anything that will store in the clipboard are actually very volatile memory data. For example, when you copy, it just stores in a temporary space, and then when you paste, that's all. So these are the tools. It's easy. For example, when you write uh, Abuja, and then so you want to copy and paste, you just come here, you highlight on it, and then you say copy, and then you come here, and then you click on this, and that's paste. You can as well use your right click, and then you copy, and then you come to another cell, and then you paste. So I believe a whole lot of people are very much acquainted with this, so no need to go too deep. Also, when you come to the font will embellish the your worksheet. So you come here. If you want to change the actual text, you come here, you highlight on it, and then you click and it changes it. So you can choose as many other colors. When you come here, you want to change um, you want to highlight the not the text but the box in there. You just click on that, and then you want to underline it. When you want to underline it, you click on it, and then you come here and you underline. You want to italicize it, you come here and then you click on it. You want to bold it, you come here and you click on it. So you want to change the format, the text height. So you can use this to increase, you can use this to reduce, and then here you can change to different text format. Alignment has to do with where you want it to be. So right now it's aligned at, let's come here. So when you increase this, when you come here, it comes to the middle. When you come here, it moves horizontal. So this is up down vertical movement, while this is horizontal movement. When you come here, it brings it back. When you come here, it goes up there. Okay. This will change the it to vertical, horizontal. So this orientation, so you can orient your text in whatever way you want to orient it. This is indentation. So let me take this back to normal. Yeah. So indentation will move it. Will move this to. It will move it based on as if you are pushing a tab, and then you can take it back. Now, this alignment, you also have wrap. So Abuja, let me just write something that will overflow. Abuja is the capital city of Nigeria. And then when you do that, it has overflown. For you to wrap it, you can just click on this and then you wrap. So it just wrap everything to be within the width of the cell. And then for it to merge, so let's say this still overflow and then it's not wrapped. If it is not wrapped and it's overflow, and then you want it to get all the way here, so you can just highlight on this and merge center. You can as well merge it to not to be at the center. You can merge across. You can merge cells and other kind of merge. Here, it changes the format of anything. So if you have a number like 100 million, 100 million, and you want to make it as a text, you can easily bring it here. So this is not recognized as a number anymore. And then if you want to put the to introduce commas here, now it has brought it back to numbers because it knows that's only numbers that so you can actually increase and reduce the number of decimal places. So now you are reducing it, and then this you increase it. So these are, and then you can change to different currency. So I have naira, but okay. So now this is dollars, and then so this is for conditional formatting of the either the cell or the entire work area. You can format the area, but in other videos, subsequent videos, we will go in detail on how to work on with conditional formatting. And this is for formatting table. So when you click, and now it has brought out a table, you can name these columns before you insert the tables. So these are this you are still at home tab. um, yeah, so you can use copy and paste. You can insert columns, you can insert new cells. So here, if I want to insert a column, I will just click on this, insert insert a column. So now I've added a new column here. So let me do another one. So if I want to delete a column, I can come here and delete sheet column. So now we have only 5. So we can format the table also to make it, to embellish it the more. This is for formula. This is sum, average, the basic statistical formulas: sum, average, count numbers, max, min, and other functions. This has to do with fill down and fill up. For example, if I have 1, 2, 3, enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enter, and then enter, and 5, 6, 7, enter, 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 8, 9, 0. So if you want to fill down, it's a simple thing. You just you come here and then you say fill down. Let's fill down. Fill down. So it takes what is up there and bring it down. So here you also want to fill down. You come here and say fill down. If you want to fill up, you come here, so it will bring 890 up. So you come here to fill, and then you fill up. So this is what. So under the editing group, you also have sort and filter. So here you can actually filter this by just clicking on this button. When you click on this button, it brings out the filter and also the sort, largest to smallest. So let's say filter, when you just click, it brings out, so it is taking this post as the header, and so you can actually filter. You can now use this to sort ascending from smallest to largest, and then also sort largest to smallest. So you can also find. So if you want to find something here, you just click at the header, you highlight the areas where the cells are that you want to find the stuff, and then you come here and then you say find. You can also replace. You can go to a specific cell address, and then you can also do a whole lot. So aside that, you now have the plugin, this button that can make that you can use to bring in a plugin. So here we have only one plugin here. Yeah. So these are basically what we have under the Home tab. As we work, as we continue to roll out more of our videos, you'll see how we use these tools the more. But they are pretty simple. Yeah, if you just make sure you do hands-on. If this is your first time, if you are new to Microsoft Excel, just make sure you do a hands-on and go through the video. Again, you'll be able to know the Home tab. And I assure you that if you are able to use the Home tab, then you've already gone far in Microsoft Excel. To this point, I really appreciate, and I believe you have learned a few skills in data wrangling, in cleaning, data generation. So I would like you to please like, share,